DI Humphrey Goodman, played by Chris Marshall, had the task of finding a painting thief during the latest installment of Beyond Paradise. The detective had a mystery on his hands because the painting was taken under the supervision of police officer Kelby Hartford, Dylan Llewellyn, who was watching over the expensive antique overnight. However, as the team started to put the pieces together, Humphrey realized he was in fact the painting thief. The DI accidentally helped to carry the item to the suspect's car without even realizing it. Luckily, Kelby was on hand and he managed to catch the real thief who made a run for it. Towards the end of the episode, fans were left distracted by one of the characters. Selwyn Patterson from Death in Paradise was reunited with Humphrey in the most unlikely way. As he and Martha, Sally Breton, sat on their houseboat, Humphrey was thrilled when a duck suddenly appeared. "Selwyn," he beamed. "Selwyn's back." "Selwyn?" Martha quizzed as Humphrey explained, "Well, he needed a name and I found myself missing the commissioner." Fans were thrilled to see the return of Selwyn Patterson, and many took to social media to share their delight. User @ButtonHill wrote, "OMG, they called the duck Selwyn. #BeyondParadise." @HelenThwaite tweeted, "I was having a drink when Humphrey called the duck Selwyn, While @Rachel Hewitt added, #BeyondParadise, I love the name of the duck, Selwyn." Don't miss The Apprentice fans slam woke BBC for all-female final. Latest, Emmerdale fears for Sam as fans work out real health diagnosis. Spoilers, Fiona Bruce defended as host slammed over domestic abuse remark. Insight, despite the excitement of Selwyn the duck, Beyond Paradise took to its official Twitter account following the episode to confirm there won't be an installment shown next Friday. The account penned, "We won't be here next week, it's at Comic Relief, but don't worry, #Beyond Paradise will be back on BBC One on Friday 24th. Fans were left gutted by the series delay, with many quickly replying to the post. Alison Davey asked, "Boo, couldn't it go on the other side?" along with a crying face emoji. @BellChristmas1 shared, "Oh, see you in 2 weeks. Boo, oh, Laura simply penned. As Valerie Barman added, "Oh no, not Red Nose Day again." Beyond Paradise returns on March 24th at 8 p.m. on BBC One.
Now